There could be a new sheriff in town with his shave channels. I wasted 2.5 years doing a cookie cutter channel, DE Shave Talk with Kit, busted my ass, videos once a week, showing this product, that product. Oh, give me a break. Nobody watched me. If they did, if I had a 20-minute video, they watched 3 minutes of it. I might be just changing the game from all those cookie cutter channels out there. I'm going to give it a try. Obviously, I believe in the Second Amendment. I got my rifle back there. And I don't just wear no hats. This is my do hat for my motorcycle riding, or my e-bike, or my Texas hat for out in my organic vegetable garden, or my Go Ask Kit channel hat where I'm viral, producing my own method of Dr. William Davis probiotic yogurt that's gone viral for healing your gut. So if you got any balls, go subscribe to my Go Ask Kit channel on YouTube. If you're, if you don't, forget it. But here's what I'm going to do. On my next video, wake up, I'm going to show you some stuff. I'm not going to say one word. You better get your stopwatch out, though. I only use one razor. It's the Game Changer Razor Rock. I only use a few soaps, and most of them are Sterling. I only use 2 brushes, and they're both boar brushes. So this is a wake-up call. You can either check in, subscribe to the DE Shave Talk with Kit channel on YouTube, or you can subscribe to the Go Ask Kit channel on YouTube, or the future channel where I am actually going to be speaking a book called Fatherless. That's coming. This is me, Kit, not DE Shave Talk with Kit, not Go Ask Kit. This is me, Kit. Get used to it.